Unfortunately, due to soaring RAM prices, Google smartphones are more expensive this year. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The Pixel 11 phones just dropped, and they all cost $100 more than the Pixel 10 devices. The Pixel Watch 5 costs $50 more than the last model too. Aside from upgrades, like a new chipset, brighter displays, and wider cameras, there are some trade-offs too. The Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro start with 256 GB of storage, double that of the previous gen, which makes them more or less similar in price to last year. Meanwhile, the new Pro XL and Pro Fold start with the same storage as its predecessors. On the other hand, Google's actually reduced the amount of RAM in the base versions of the Pixel 11 Pro and Pro XL. Those have 12 GB of RAM compared with 16 GB of RAM in the 9 and 10 series. If you want 16 GB, you can always get a more expensive version. You may not notice the difference too much if you use your phone for less intensive tasks like messaging, browsing, and streaming. But if you're editing video or playing games, maybe you'll feel the less RAM. A Google spokesperson said the tech industry is navigating a severe RAM shortage, so they'll need to adjust Pixel 11 pricing and RAM configurations to mitigate this while delivering maximum value for customers. If Google can deliver improved performance even with less RAM, reducing the amount of memory in the new Pro models makes sense, as it could help keep the price increases relatively reasonable. But know that Google is a major player in the field of generative AI. A key reason that RAM, storage, and chips are far more expensive than they were a year ago is that AI companies are buying up much of those components to build out their data centers. So despite its efforts, Google's hardly blameless in the RAM crisis. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.